Hey folks, how's it all going? Oh man, there it is. The Masterbuilt 560 Gravity Series charcoal grill. This thing is just awesome. After work, I'm gonna do some barbecue chicken wings on here, hot and fast. So I'll tell you what, let's get her fired up. One thing I love about the Masterbuilt is how fast she heats up, and you can see the mod that I put on the back for the chimney to this is like the 560, and it's got that whole slot in the back. And this whole thing was just to protect it from the wind, the rain, and the snow, since I am in southern Wisconsin here. Temperature set at 325, like I said, just fired it up and we're already at approaching 180. So I'll tell you what, let's go take a look at the wings. By the time we're done looking at the wings, this thing will be up to temp. All right, folks, there's our wings. I lost count. I think there is about 11 in there, maybe a dozen. But a little bit of the Zhang stir fry oil, tossed it up in there, and then, gosh, you know how I like this, Morton's Nature Seasoning. And then you're looking and going, what's in the honey bottle? Yeah, folks, we were just down in Iowa last weekend, and I saw this at, I can't remember if it was, they have grocery store chains there called Hy-Vee and Fairway. I think this was in the Fairway, that they had this Jethro's Barbecue, original barbecue sauce. It is, it's from Iowa, and we're gonna toss it up because it came in a honey container. I mean, that's what honey comes in. So we're gonna toss them up when we're ready to eat. And this barbecue sauce. So tell you what, let's get them on the grill. All right, folks, got set at 330 and 334. Lib temp is just starting to come up to temp. Let's take a quick look. I just put them on. I got a drip pan underneath because there's going to be quite a bit of grease coming out of there. And I want to do myself a favor and not have a fire. So there's our wings. Oh, man. I'll tell you what, I'm going to let those go. Hopefully get them nice and golden brown. Like I said, we got set at 330. We might bump it up to 350 after a while. You know, what's amazing is even at 330, you know, look at all the smoke coming out of this. That is, it's pretty impressive to be getting that much smoke at 330. So I'll tell you what, give you a couple of look-sees. Stay tuned for that. All right, folks, let's talk about temperature discrepancies. And I've seen a lot of people post about this, how my Masterbuilt is off. And right now I have that happening, but I don't think it's because of the grill. I honestly believe it's because of that pan that I have in there. What's happening, the heat is deflecting off that pan, and you gotta remember the temp probe for that is right there. So it's deflecting off the pan and going over there and making it seem hotter over there. And it's reading 424, and I got set at 425. But on my lid, it's 375. So that's the difference. If I were to pull that pan out of there, and I've tried this before, when I don't cook and don't have a pan in there, that temp and that temp are very, very close. So for those of you that are complaining about that, number one, did you upload the other mod, and not the other mod, the other firmware update? I think they're on volume 2 now. This is 7/17 of 20. There may be a third, I'm not sure. And do you have a pan in there? So, and that's what I've noticed. So let's just take a quick look here. They've only been on for about 25 minutes. Yeah, you can see we get a nice color on there. So we got some smoke going out there, even at 420. So I tell you what, give you a couple more look-see. Stay tuned. This is all. My mouth is watering. I'm so hungry. All right, folks, right around 45 minutes. You can see our lid temp there is right around 400 degrees. I've got the set at 450. So it's staying pretty consistent with what I was saying about having the pan in there affecting how the temp works. But let's see, the wings are looking pretty nice. So I'm gonna keep on going. I want to get these nice and crispy. So give you a couple more look-sees. All right, 1 hour in, you can see I've turned the temp up. We're like 475 right now. Yeah, oh man, look good. Those are gonna come off. I'm gonna toss them in that sauce, put them back in, get that sauce to set up, and then we'll be eating. Give you a look-see. All right, folks, let's toss it up. This is a kind of a vinegar base. It is a vinegar base. This Jethro's Barbecue. We'll just, like I said, just toss her up real nice. Just like that. Real easy to remember. If I can do it, so can you. Back on to the grill. Back on. Sarah back down to 425. Took the grease tray out. Obviously, you don't want that burning grease, that smoke in there. Just take a quick look. About 10 minutes to get the sauce to set on there. Man, those are nice looking wings. Hey, folks, I'll tell you what, give you a look-see when they plate it up. Oh, man, look at those wings. Those look just gorgeous. Almost too good to eat, hey? And they're still hot. Just took them off here. Let's see if we can break one open for you. Tell you what, I'm gonna take just a little taste test here. That's good eating right there, folks. Tom Horseman on YouTube. That was an hour and a half total. Hot and fast wings on the Masterbuilt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment. Take care, folks.